Hey, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creation, and I'm going to show you some fun watercoloring tips with the Textured Floral bundle. All right, I'm going to show you some easy watercoloring tips with this card using the Textured Floral bundle. I have to say, this is definitely one of my favorite bundles in the catalog because flowers, love flowers, and watercoloring, love watercoloring. So the stamps have these beautiful flowers and sentiments, and the dies have little extra leaf dies that are cool as well. So we are going to start with the card base. So you might be able to see it. Hopefully you can see it. This is one of the new embossing folders that is online only. It's part of the Basics 3D embossing folders. You have this, which I'm calling Crosshatch, and the dots. And the other one I'm calling Stars. So this creates this really nice crosshatch embossed pattern on the card. So I have started with that. All right, so my first easy watercoloring tip is to go ahead and ink up your stamp. And although the texture on the stamp already makes it look like watercolor, an extra fun step is to use one of the spritzers filled with water. And I'm just gonna move this out of the way, spray it, and let the water kind of do its thing. And then you stamp it. And just hold it there for a little bit, and then voila, it looks very watercolored. So I'm going to do the same thing with the green. All right, and my last fun tip for this card is to give it a little bit of splatter. So lots of water, a little bit of ink, and you're gonna squeeze as you tap this on your finger, and you're just gonna go ahead and knock it. You can just spread it all around, and then you have some fun splatter on your card. All right, while I am letting these dry, I am going to stamp my sentiment. And now I'm going to assemble the card. So I'm just gonna make sure that this layer fits nicely. And lastly, I'm going to add some of these glossy dots. I just love the gorgeous grape. And there you have a beautifully watercolored flower card. You can receive this card kit for free when you purchase the Textured Floral bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this kit.